Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and yes, here we are. This will be the final video on the Kuro no Kiseki videos for my updates. This is the final update. And I'm not even gonna go through a lot this time around. As you know the drill, I'll leave these links in the description for you guys to download. You simply copy and paste launcher and TC like you've done in the previous four updates, and you hit paste. That's it, and the game's on. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you guys enjoyed me posting all these for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. It runs. I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah, basically we got everything. We got everything working. I can't really complain at this point. The menus are fully coded now. It runs. I mean, what more do you want from me? What more do you want from me? Look, even the prologue is done now. I feel like almost everything is done. Don't quote me on that, but mainly everything. I don't think it'll be very hard to notice things that aren't done at this point. I'll see you guys next time. And once again, don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys enjoy this type of stuff, I do this type of stuff all the time, man. Posting all sorts of videos. The Hajimeri no Kiseki video will come shortly as well, so stay tuned for that English patch. I'll see you guys next time.